Off-roading for beginners, Part 1. Four-wheel drive modes. Each of these modes in your car serves a different purpose. Firstly, 2H or 2 high is your regular two-wheel drive mode, with power delivered to the front or rear wheels. They are used for normal driving on roads and highways. Now, in 4 high mode, or 4H, you activate all 4 wheels for better traction and stability on slippery surfaces like snow, mud or gravel, even at higher speeds. Finally, in 4 low mode, or 4L, you engage all 4 wheels in low gear, providing you with maximum traction and power for extreme off-road conditions, such as climbing steep hills or driving over rocky trails.